A little crosswind, but who cares?
That's okay. We can live with it. Come on in.
Because I don't know if we're gonna fly again for a while.
Nah, we might have a week, or then you've got work. Are you gonna have Monday through Friday, or you have?
Yeah, I don't expect to fly this week, but I do have.
Oof. Yeah, right through the sun. You're good. You get it.
Just let it come down.
You got it. Oh.
Yeah, that's alright.
That was a good correction. Whoa. God, the sun is in a bad place.
Yeah, you gotta stay low.
Yeah, that's good.
Flight pack 25.3 volts.
Yeah, cut it there and it'll just glide. You don't need any throttle.
There you go.
Keep it coming down.
No, that needs throttle to come in.
Really?
Yeah.
So
So you can keep the note. Yeah, he's good. Motor.
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go.
Sweet. That suspension gear is pretty nice.
That stuff works. It works. It won't flip.
Suspension gear?
It's the Flex Innovations did it. They've got bump stops and everything on it.
It works really well.
That's like something an F-15 should have.
Or T-45.
Yeah.
Can I see that gear? Can you even buy that gear?
I think you can.
Can you do like $5 million?
I think the whole gear complete is 130. So for three. That's the three servos and the gear as well.
Alright, let's go, dude.
I'm ready.
We're burning daylight.
Go.
Taking off.
Woo, look at you, man. Ooh, I like your afterburner. Dude, that thing sounds good.
Yeah.
That thing sounds good, Frank.
The F-4?
Yes. I couldn't hear it coming. And then it was there. I'm like, whoa. Woo! Alright, I'm going to... Where are you? I'm over that way. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm coming to you.
Okay. I'm way high. I'm going to do a diving pass to the runway. Ready? I'm diving right now. Way the hell up there.
Well, the old crash fans in the L-49 now.
Whoa. Turn my gyro down.
Gains.
Yep, I turned it down. Coming the other way, Frankie. Gyro's off. It's not off, but it's way better than it was. Woo, doggy. Going up.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming back the other way. Going up. Frank, that sounds amazing.
Oh, it went into the sun and I saw spots, bro.
No, don't do that.
Time remaining 1 minute 10 seconds.
I got the same.
All right, dropping.
Alright, let's not sit down again.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, let's not sit.
Woo! Going up.
This thing is
Well, we won't have gas.
It is. You're screaming. You're screaming.
Dude, I was like behind and I somehow caught up.
No,
with
you caught up. You caught up.
I was like,
Here, I want do a same kind of pass with me, and I'll follow you. I want to see what yours, how fast yours
Flying
is.
top 50, 100 million.
Go.
Those batteries, like all I fly the big planes with, 'cause I'm too lazy to take the
30
adapter out.
seconds.
Jesus! What do you got in that thing?
dude, this thing balls. Holy moly.
What fan setup do you have in it?
A custom, obviously.
Oh yeah, obviously.
That's like, yeah, obviously. 3 wings, shroud, FMS fan, 2000
9,
kV motor.
gear down, 8,
Okay, I'm landing.
6,
What kind of 2000 kV motor?
4,
4082
2,
Leopard.
1.
A
Takeoff
leopard with
flap.
the
Time
mesh
expired.
band and
Landing
the
flap.
shroud.
Yep.
In-runner shroud?
No, he's getting outrun the shroud. How gets an outrun the shroud?
I ordered a friggin' in-runner shroud for my
Exactly. So why would you want to get an outrunner if you're trying to train as an in-runner?
Yeah,
Because in-runner's the shit.
Yes.
Woo, dog, that was good.
I love the sound of those wheels.
landing.
Frankie, that thing moves.
Flaps up.
It scoots. Holy shit.
You okay?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I'm fine. I just didn't know.
Whoa, battery's dead.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You okay?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm good. It's just stalled really badly.
wow. That wind just down a little. You got lucky.
Alright, you got it.
That's perfect.
Nice.
That battery is poofied. My battery's poofied.
That's the thing with
Alright, get this chair out of here.
if you let it slow down and turn, it's not good.
That was, dude, Frank, I'm impressed. You made me fly faster because I'm trying to get away from you.
Turn your gyro off.
Damn thing.